Thank you for signing up with 3DCart. In this video, we will go over the basics of building your online store. First, let's log into your online store manager. When you first log into your online store manager, you're going to see all of your navigation links over on the left-hand side, as well as some basic navigation links at the top. Clicking on the View Store button at the top left area here will open up a new tab showing you your site. Since you're logged in as an administrator, you'll also have access viewing your storefront with this quick design bar at the bottom. This quick design bar will allow you to make specific changes to your site on the fly while viewing your store. The first icon here on the quick design bar is the design editor, and from here you can choose different themes for your site, as well as get more themes from the back end of the online store manager. We have over 50 templates pre-designed for you, and they're all completely customizable by you. Simply select one, install it, and apply it to your store. You could also change certain screen elements on the fly simply by changing your width or removing actual elements. For example, the mailing list can be removed altogether, your new releases, and categories if need be. Through the design editor, you also have access to our drag and drop mode of editing. Clicking on this will create these manipulator icons on the individual elements of the left and right banner, and you can simply click and drag them over to wherever you'd like them to be. Next to the design editor icon, there's also the content editor. This is where you'll be able to make specific changes to your home page or add different content pages, as well as some advanced tools, for example, creating your header and footer. The header and footer section is where you'll be able to specify a store logo, or you can use the global header to further refine your global header area. This section will take HTML. However, if you do not know HTML, you can feel free to use our WYSIWYG, which stands for What You See is What You Get editor. And clicking that will create an interface that's similar to most word processing programs, where you can do HTML editing in a formatted view. Simply changing different sizes and colors of the graphic. Saving those changes will apply them in real time to your store. Next to the content editor is our product editor. Clicking on that will allow you to create categories and individual products specific to your store. We're going to add a specific product here. And the quick design editor will take you directly to the product once it's created. Furthermore, after it's created, it'll take you to the quick editor for the product, where you can further refine the selection. For example, creating stock for the product, as well as applying an image specific to the product. And that's just one way of adding products to your store. Another way of adding products to your store is through the actual online store manager. If you go to Products and View and Edit, you can add brand new products or edit existing products. When you're editing individual products, you'll have a series of tabs at the top that can also be used to further refine your product listing. For example, you can further edit the cost of the product as well as the shipping information for it, as well as stock and descriptions for the product. On the Images tab, you can apply secondary images to the product. For example, a back view of the product, or the product from different angles. Also, when editing individual products, you will always see the catalog ID for the product as well as a link specific to the product. Clicking on that link will take you directly to the product on the storefront so you can view your progress as you make your changes. Next to the Images tab is also the Options tab. Here you'll be able to further refine your product offering by specifying individual options for it. This particular product that I've created here has 3 different colors that it comes in, so I'm going to add my color options. Click on Add Options and create your option label. And specify the type of option selection that it'll be. And then I can add my individual options within that option label. And as you're adding options, you can also further refine the options by applying additional value to the option if necessary. For example, this particular smartphone that we're creating here also comes in a special edition copper color, which is approximately $10 more than the base unit. And now when we view the product itself, you will see your options, as well as specifying that it is an additional $10. Furthermore, when that copper color is selected, the price will update automatically to reflect the $10 charge. A third way that's a bit more advanced for adding products is through the use of CSV imports. With 3DCart, you can go to Products, Export and Import, and you can actually export a comma-separated value file of your individual products. This particular file can further be refined with additional products which you can then use to import to your store and have it all updated rather than doing them one at a time. Now these are just the basics of adding products to your store. Once you get the hang of it, feel free to explore some of the other options that you have available to you and explore and get more acquainted with your 3DCart store. And should you ever need any help, our support team is available 24 hours a day to assist you with anything you may need. Please contact us at 800-828-6650 or simply email us at support@3dcart.com. We're open 24/7 and we're ready and willing to help you. Good luck with your stores, and we look forward to helping you out.